The ClickMinded Marketing Starter Kit is this massive library of more than 90 different templates, video tutorials, AI prompts, and standard operating procedures, or SOPs, that you can use to scale up your digital marketing, and it's completely free. The ClickMinded Marketing Starter Kit has 18 powerful SOPs, 31 fill-in-the-blank templates, 38 carefully crafted AI prompts, and 8 actionable digital marketing mini courses that you can grab right now for free. The Marketing Starter Kit is broken up into 7 core sections. In the marketing strategy section, you'll learn how to identify your ideal customer and plan a comprehensive digital marketing strategy for all stages of the funnel. In the SEO section, you'll learn how to discover massive SEO opportunities hidden inside your existing content. In the social media section, you'll learn how to create world-class social media content for your target customers. In the content section, you'll learn how to copy our proven content formulas for generating massive traffic. In the email section, you'll learn how to write powerful email campaigns and automate them to generate revenue on autopilot. In the paid advertising section, you'll learn how to spy on your competitors' ad strategy and use that market intelligence to launch high converting ads. And finally, in the delegate and scale section, you'll learn how to stop trading time for money and scale up your company by delegating tasks to employees and virtual assistants. So click the link right now to get the ClickMinded Marketing Starter Kit for free, or go to clickminded.com/start.